What do you do, y'all? Welcome to the Crypto Channel 329. Like I said to you on TG, I'm going to give you some TA later today, and I'm going to show you which coins are good to trade and which ones you should hold, okay? At least that's just my opinion in regards to to these coins that I'm going to show you today. I'm going to show you 10 coins, and then from there you can pick whatever coin that you want. And okay, guys, remember this is not financial advice. This is just my opinion. And my price prediction might not be what's going to happen next, okay? This just my probability, okay? Because that's what crypto is. Right, so first one up, we have the BTC, okay? As you can see right here, it seems like BTC is dipping a little bit. And like I said on the TG, BTC might hit 28.8K, okay? But if we have a quick look how far we are from that, it's 5.26%. So 5 point, so let's call this 5.15%. So BTC has to dip 5.15%. Chances for this to happen, they are unlikely, I believe, but who knows? Okay, market is closing down right now. That's why we see this downtrend. So if you zoom in a little bit, let's have a quick pick about BTC. Let's see what's up. Okay, he touched over there, so let's go over to the 15-minute chart. And seems like it might go down a little bit. I don't know. It might come over here, and if we come up have a look, we can see that it dipped several times. So here. So we might see BTC coming towards the 30K. 30K right here, 31.1K. Okay, but then again, it's not on a resistance line. So my resistance line is this one right here. So I am not going to trade on the 30K. I would rather wait and see what happens. It might take a few days, who knows. I would rather trade on this one, this resistance line right here. Sorry, this support line right here, or this resistance line right here, and not in between. Because from here, it can go down, it can go up. Okay, so I would rather just wait. Okay, so in regards to BTC, I'm not going to deploy any bot on BTC because 5% is still a long way down. Okay, so 5% it can drop as long as we are fed with some bad news. Okay, BTC might drop 5%, but till then, okay, I'm not going to deploy any bots. Okay, next one up, we have ETH. Okay, let's see if so if it's closer to the support line. Okay, this one right here, 1875, like I said today on the TG. Okay, and the chances for this to happen is probably, okay, very likely to happen. So let me just move this right here and close it down, save it and close. Okay, if what's going on with if come on. Oh, this one does not want to work. What the hell? Hmm. Something's going on with this. Okay, here we are. Right, as you can see right here, this is the ETH chart. Okay, so very close to the support line, 1875, like I said, on the TG. And at some point, ETH was around 1893. Okay, very close to our entry price. Okay, so it would be nice to see ETH touching this support line. It didn't touch over here, almost touched it, 1885. Okay, let's go over to the 15-minute price chart, and feels like if it is, there is a big possibility for ETH to touch the 1875. Let's see how far we are. So from here is like 1.70%. Okay, so I will definitely set up a bot for ETH. So I'm gonna leave this price chart open, and what's going on? Get lost. And in regards to grids, I'm gonna go for this configuration right here. So the entry price will be 1875. I actually mentioned this on the TG group last week. So entry price will be 1875, and lower band will be 16.63, and the higher grade will be 2146. So the bot will trade between within this lower band and higher band. Okay, so I'm actually going to deploy a bot on the Bybit. So let me go over to Bybit. I will go once I'm done with all the charts. Okay, next one up, we have the LTC. Okay, guys, so LTC is dipping as well. So this is the 4-hour price chart. And from what I can see, it feels like it's going down to the support line because, as you can see right here, we had this pump and we didn't have a pullback. So now we're having a pullback. So we broke this resistance to support, and now it turned into resistance again, and feels like it's going down towards this 91.54 bucks. Okay, so if that's the case, okay, we can set up a bot right here, but like you can see right here, it's 8%. It has to go 8% down, so I'm just gonna wait. So I'm gonna check it out tomorrow and see what happened. But from what I can see, okay, the blue line is crossing the blue EMA, the green EMA is crossing the yellow EMA. That means it's turning bearish. Okay, so LTC is the one that you should keep in mind. Okay, so the entry price 91.54, and the grids I would place the low grids over here. Let's say 80. Let's call it 80 bucks, and the higher grids I would call it 115. Okay, the entry price 91.54. Okay, next one up, we have BNB, and as you can see right here, I also set up a bot for BNB the other day, but the bot hasn't been triggered. Okay, so I set up the bot around here somewhere. Okay, I thought the price would go down, but it didn't go down, and today it dipped a little bit. So I set on the TG group 234 bucks. Okay, and as you can see right here, 235 bucks. Okay, that was very, very close. Okay, but still, again, I still believe that BNB will dip. Okay, I still have the bot in place. I'm going to show you the bot. So if you want to uh, use my configurations, you can see right here. Okay, the entry price, it's right there. Okay, the price range is behind 220 to 316, and we have 84 grades. Okay, so essentially the entry price is going to be on this red line or just a bit below. Okay, because usually the wicks go a little bit below the support line. Okay, and the trading will be between 220 and 316. Okay, so that's for the BNB. So I am going to leave this bot over here because I believe eventually this bot will be triggered. Okay, either today, later today, or tomorrow. Next one up, we have Doge. Okay, many of you don't like to trade meme coins, but there is a lot of trading volume on Doge. Okay, so if you come over here to Doge, you can see the trading volume for the past 24 hours is 351 million bucks. So definitely there is some interest in regards to Dogecoin. Okay, so Dogecoin would be a good opportunity. Okay, as you can see right here, the price is trading at 0.6688. Okay, so if you zoom into the 1-hour chart, I would say, yeah, it might be a good opportunity to trade Doge right now. Okay, and I might consider this one. So let me put it over here because I got ETH, BNB. Where is Doge? Right here. And if I have to trade Doge, I'm gonna go long. I don't like to go short because the bull market is around the corner. Okay, bull market is around the corner, and I don't like to go against the trend. Okay, even though this trend it's down, it's clearly going down. Okay, and I don't like to go against the trend. Okay, so for Doge, I would let me have a look. Yeah, I would place it over here. So for Dogecoin, I would place the higher band 0.7562, and the lower one would be around here, 0.53. Okay, so that's 20, 32. So 32 grades, and then I will place in total 64 grades. Okay, So I'll place 64 grid. So I might consider deploying Doge, because Doge, it's right here on this uh, interest zone. Okay, so because the price chart is right there in between. Okay, I'm not gonna call it either resistance or support. Okay, so this is an interest zone. Okay, so it might be a good opportunity to deploy a bot on Doge. Okay, next one we have, I spoke about LTC. We got a TRX. Okay, TRX is on the uptrend. Okay, TRX is clearly on the uptrend. It's having a pullback right now. Okay, so the question is how far the pullback will be. Okay, so I believe if it continues this uptrend, okay, it will dip on this yellow line and go back up. If not, let's have a look how far we are to the next support level. So 3%. Okay, it is possible. It is possible, but in order to do that, it will break this trend right here. Okay, so let's zoom in and let's see what's up. TRX has actually been doing really, really well. Okay, so if it breaks below this yellow line, most likely we are going to see TRX um, hitting the 0.07448. Okay, and then that would be a good entry opportunity right here. Okay, and then um I would place a long bot. Come here. I would place a long bot to trade between 0.082 and this one right here, 0.069. Okay, and the entry price would be 0.7448 or 0.74, yeah, 0.7448. Okay, so time will tell. So on this one I'm going to keep an eye on TRX, because TRX is actually a good coin to trade as well. So next one up we have Solana. In order to reach the support line, it has to dip 6% and feels like it's on the way towards it. Okay, so within the next hours or what day or so, okay, we might see Solana hitting the 1756. If that's the case, okay, it might be a good entry point for you to deploy a bot. And I would deploy a bot between 1528 and this one right here, 1983. Okay, next one up, we have MATIC. I'm just rushing now because I want to deploy these bots. So you can see, so MATIC is also dipping. This is the 4-hour chart, and feels like MATIC is going to retest this 6111 level. Okay, if that's the case, MATIC has to dip 8.36%. Okay, touch this support level again before it bounces back up, if that will be the case. Okay, last one, we have ADA. ADA is in the same position as MATIC. Okay, as you can see, the price chart looks very, very similar. That's because of the SEC FUD. Okay, actually, MATIC and Solana and BNB, they all have similar price charts due to the FUD of SEC FUD. Okay, so if you're looking to trade ADA, I would wait for this resist support line at 0.2751. Okay, so we are not far from there. Okay, just what's the percentage? Yeah, just 3%. Okay, and the way I can see it, feels like Matic, this one is ADA. ADA will definitely hit this 0.2753. Okay, so something to keep an eye on it. Okay, so the coins that I'm gonna pick is ETH. Yeah, definitely ETH. I'm gonna pick ETH, and BNB already got the bot there. And yeah, I think that's it, because I've closed the BTC today. Okay, so I've got these funds available. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to deploy a bot on ETH if I have enough funds for it. Let me just give you a quick update about my bots. Okay, so this one is negative -12. As you can see right here, not every day is a green day, but I deploy these bots for the long term. Okay, so eventually, essentially, the bot is also performing trades. So just today, it performed 28 trades, and total trades is 132. So I'm deploying these bots for the long term. I could have taken profits yesterday or 2 days ago with 2% or 3%, but I decided not to. Okay, because I'm here for the long run. Same goes to XRP. I was at 20% at some point, but decided to let it roll. Okay, and while the bot is rolling, okay, we are performing trades, and we can see today 14 trades, total trades 70 trades. Okay, this is a 4-day-old bot. Okay, so I'm making essentially 3% a day from this 12%. Okay. And next one up, it's the BNB hasn't been triggered yet. Okay, so if it was triggered at 234, we would be good by now. Okay, but it wasn't triggered. It sucks, but it is what it is. Okay, no problem. I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna leave it as it is because I believe it might be triggered tonight or tomorrow. And last one, we have the ARB token. Okay, this one I was up as well, but now is down 2.49%, but as you can see right here, it's still operating. Okay, as long as the price chart is within the price range, okay, we are good. We are performing trades. Okay, as long as we don't get stopped out by the stop loss, we're good. Okay, I'm happy. I'm not worried about the bots. Okay, so let's perform these. Let's deploy these bots. These ETH bots. Okay, so we're gonna go long, AI strategy. So if so 1663, 1663, and the higher would be 2148. As you can see right here, it's a big gap between this one and this one because I want to deploy this bot for the long run, not just for a quick flip. Okay, so it's 2148. 2148. And then again, guys, if you're not in my Signals channel 329, I would recommend you to stay tuned in because over there is where I post all my trades. Okay, where is it? Right here. Okay, so Signals channel 329, all you gotta do is just sign up, just join the channel, and every time I'm gonna place a trade, close a bot, initiate a bot, whatever, I will post it right here. Okay, so if you're not subscribed yet, consider subscribing for free signals. Okay. Um, so number of grids. So we have 14%, so 25. So let's go for 50 grids if possible. 50 grids. So leverage, we're gonna go for 10x leverage. Let's see how much it's gonna cost us. 127. 127. We don't have 127. So we go for 40 grids. We have 84. Actually, I have 127. I'm gonna send from my MetaMask wallet. Let me post it. Okay, guys, here we are. And the entry price going to be 175. We're going to go for 175, like I said. And the minimal investment is 127. We're going to go 134. Okay, we're going to use it all. Entry price was going to be 1875. So it has to dip 1.88%. And the stop loss, we're going to place the stop loss over here. Let's call it 1600. Okay. Again, if it's a long-term play, okay, so we're gonna place the stop loss at 1600. Okay. And that being said, guys, I am going to post these trades on the TG group. Okay, also this video, and here we are. And that's it. Now I have 5 bots. Okay, so 5 bots, currently only 3 working. The rest of them, they are waiting for to be triggered. That being said, guys, I'm going to wrap this video up. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.